to our hotel. There's a kiddie park just around the corner. And the kids can stay here. And there was some hammocks, but they've been taken out and they get taken down at night time. This hotel has parking to the back of the hotel and also underground parking, so there's plenty of spaces.
Sure. Hello, boy. You alright? Hungry? Eat. That's nice. Look. Hello. That's nice. Hello. How many total is there?
Lots.
Oh, is there another one?
There's one down here, there's a bedroom, and another one at the back.
He's sleeping still. He's lazy. Oh, I
Yeah.
don't see him.
We're staying in room 120. Hi guys, so we're staying at the Hotel Belvedere Spa. This is a 4-star hotel and this is a room tour. We have a double bed and a single bed. The pillows are huge, like queen size pillows. We get given 3 bottles of water, 2 fizzy and 1 still. Glasses, kettle, coffee and tea. TV is swivels, so if you're in bed, and you have fridge that you can fill up. And outside you have good sized balcony, but there is a non-smoking policy on this balcony. You'll get fined if caught smoking here. It's nice view. And now we'll go to the bathroom. You don't have aircon here though. And this is the bathroom. Shower, toilet, what you normally find. Heated towel rail and a hairdryer. And you get shampoo and soap included. Safe is included in the price. And the pillows, we have, oh, first you get a code, and this tells you all the information about the hotel. So you have swimming pool, jacuzzi, a gym. We didn't find a gym, but there is one somewhere. And a steam room and a sauna, but we didn't see the sauna either. pillows, like very fancy pillows, and you have a menu of them, so you can, if you want to rent them for the night, you have different ones with different fat smells, different fillings. You get like sheep and all sorts. Fancy. And that's our room tour. We're going to show you the rooftop terrace now with beautiful mountain views. This way.